Strengthening Faith 32. In a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 7400, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that the one who continues worshipping Allah, the Exalted, during widespread turmoil and seditions is like the one who has emigrated to the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, during his lifetime. The reward of emigrating to the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, during his lifetime was a great deed. In fact, it erased all of one's previous sins, according to a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 321. Worshipping Allah, the Exalted, means to continue sincerely obeying Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions and being patient with destiny, according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This ensures one continues to use the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. It is obvious that the time mentioned in this narration has arrived. It has become very easy to become misguided from the teachings of Islam, as worldly desires have opened up for the Muslim nation. Due to advancements in social media, fashion and culture, it has become easier for Muslims to falsely believe peace of mind lies in misusing the blessings they have been granted. It has become easier to adopt the mentality of following the majority, who have reduced faith to empty practices, which have no bearing on how one practically uses the blessings they have been granted. Wishful thinking in Allah, the Exalted, has become widespread amongst the Muslim nation, whereby they ignore the teachings of the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, yet expect peace and salvation in both worlds. What was considered deviant behavior by any sensible person has become something people are being urged to embrace. Turning away from all of this misguidance will be difficult, and even one's family and friends will criticize them for holding on to the teachings of Islam instead of following the majority. But if one persists, Allah, the Exalted, will replace any losses they suffer, such as the loss of love and respect from friends and relatives, with something much superior, namely, peace of mind and body. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
And what Allah, the Exalted, has reserved for them in the hereafter is much greater. On the other hand, those who turn away from the sincere obedience of Allah, the Exalted, thereby misusing the blessings they have been granted, will find that all their worldly relationships and blessings become a source of stress and curse for them in this world. And what they receive in the hereafter will be far worse. Chapter 20 Taha, verses 124 to 126.
And whoever turns away from my remembrance, indeed he will have a depressed, i.e. difficult life, and we will gather, i.e. raise him on the day of resurrection blind. He will say, My Lord, why have you raised me blind while I was once seeing? Allah will say, Thus did our signs come to you, and you forgot, i.e. disregarded them, and thus will you this day be forgotten.
Therefore, Muslims should not get distracted by the worldly desires which have become widespread and avoid controversial issues and people, and instead remain obedient to Allah, the Exalted, in every aspect of their life, if they desire to obtain the reward mentioned in this narration.